Because we are Christians, but we are walking around like zombies. Ons hardloop met mense wat nie krag het nie, wat nie woord het nie, wat nie autoriteit het nie. We are walking around. Hoekom walk us around? Because we are operating according to the soul and not according to the spirit.
That's right.
Emotions.
Die siel is jou denke. Die siel is hoe jy operate. Die siel is hoe jy voel. Nou die Here moet die siel moet in die lig kom van die Heilige Gees, sodat hy jou siel kan sê, sodat jou siel kan verklaar, so that my soul may know that this is the God that I serve. David said to his soul, why are you discouraged? Why are you discouraged? While he was writing the Psalms, while he was writing the words and the praises of God, his soul was discouraged. So he had to bring his soul into a place where his soul started to lift up the name of Jesus. Ek sê vir jou vanmorgen, your soul must come into the presence of God. By the praise that we give him, by prayer we give him, want die siel is hier op die aarde, en die siel bepaal hoe ek wandel, die siel bepaal hoe ek spreek, die siel bepaal hoe ek dink. That my soul know very well, that my soul will find a place and a rest, that your mind will find a place and a rest in God, that your soul, that your attitude, that your discipline, dat dit 'n rus sal vind in God se werk wat hy gedoen het. Ons het nie 'n geestelike probleem nie. Sometimes we don't have a spiritual problem. Peter, we have a soul problem. Because your soul moet in die lig kom van die Heilige Gees. My soul is longing for him. So we know, jammer om so te sê, baie mense kan sit onder die krag van die Heilige Gees, maar omdat daar is 'n sielstoestand wat nie reg is nie, dan allow it jou om uit die krag van die Here uit te loop en terug te gaan na jou ou ways. So this morning we want to deal with our souls, because the way a man thinketh, so is that man. The way a man feels, so is die mens. Maar ek sê vanmôre van my siel, you must subject yourself to what the Spirit of the Lord is saying, and the Spirit of the Lord is releasing. Want die Here sê, my ways and my thoughts. My gees wil bepaal hoe ek voor die Here wandel. Maar my siel is die ding, die vehikel wat ek moet gebruik. Die siel is die plek waar deur ek dit moet uitvoer wat die Heilige Gees vir my sê, wat die woord vir my leer, wat God tot my bring. So you must bring your soul in 'n korrekte plek, in korrekte alignment. Wat ek vir jou wil sê vanmôre, as dit wat die Here uit die troonkamer van God uit laat vloei, if there flows revelation, blessing, power, might and glory, when it reaches my soul must be in alignment so that it can flow through my whole being and my whole body, so that alles wat ek is